Hello, my dear viewers. This is the USDCAD Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 15th of July 2024. Today is Monday, and let's start today's session. First of all, let me introduce myself for a bit. My name is Rakesh, and I'm your host here. I'm not an employee of USDCAD Bank, so please do not confuse me as an employee of USDCAD. I'm an independent analyst, and I'm using their YouTube platform to showcase my analysis. Like I said, that I'm not their employee, so all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here, they are of my own, and they have nothing to do with the USDCAD Bank. In this webinar, we'll be strictly discussing the price action, and we'll not talk about anything that is fundamental in nature, like speeches or fundamental data release or something. Because as a technical analyst, I know that everything is already priced in the chart, so there's no point in talking about anything else other than the prices on the chart. So we'll only follow the charts for our analysis, and in this program, we'll be only using the candlestick type of charts to determine the key levels for all the instruments that we see, and we'll see how we can use those key levels to give an edge to our trading setups. At the end of the session, I'll be taking the questions and requests from the viewers. You can ask your questions at that time. And before I start, I must also tell you that this is not a trading advice. Everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge. Please do your own research if you have to trade your live or real money in the live markets. You can try my analysis on the demo accounts, but if you want to trade in the live account, please do your own research. Now, before I begin, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer. Okay, as always, first things first, let's have a look at the US dollar index. What is it suggesting? Till Friday, it was suggesting a down move. Today, it opened up higher and then is trying to travel lower. So this is a classic price action that you see when there is a good close. Okay, there was a huge range, 104.21 to this close of 103.70. This was a huge range, and then the price opened up higher at the order block, and then started going down. It has failed to go below 103.62, which I am anticipating it to go in the coming time. Now, below this, if it trades below 103.62, the downside targets of 102.80 will be exposed, and the bias is still bearish. If you ask me that what is the bias is still bearish. Till the time we don't close higher than this 104.87, we will only be looking for the selling opportunities in this one, right? The bias in this one is bearish. Yes. What about the pound? Well, in the pound, the bias is bullish, but recently we have tapped into this liquidity which was resting above this high. Although this high was 1.2995, and today we failed to go to that level, 1.29947. This is from where the price reversed, and I think this is coming for a pullback at least till the low of this previous day's candle. The low of this one is 1.2962. Today the price made an intraday low of 1.2961, so that is also taken. So I think this liquidity is taken, but upside is pending. So there is a possibility that the price will go to the upside. So little pullback, and the price may push for 1.2995 again before going down. This is my anticipation. And also this price action which I'm talking to you right now is being supported by the US dollar going down. If the US dollar goes down, there is a chance that the pound will shift higher. In that case, it will be able to grab that liquidity which is resting above 1.2995 levels. and then we will be good to go the downside. That is my expectation. From the support and resistance point of view, the support is classic support, that is swing support. Swing pivot is lying at 1.2777. Above this, it is only a buying market, not a selling market. Talking about the euro has taken the liquidity today above 1.0916 levels, and now I think it is trying to go lower towards 1.0852 or maybe even lower, and we have a solid support of 1.0805, and above that, this previous resistance that can act as a support, we can expect it to act as a support, that is 1.0852. So these are the two crucial levels of support for me, where I'll be looking for buying the euro. But otherwise, I think there is no support on the way down. So 1.0852 is the first thing, and 1.0805 is the second thing that I will be keeping an eye on. So in between this level, these two levels, there should be a lot of support for the price. AUD USD, yes, this is again an inside bar if you take care from the Friday's bar, that is 12th of July. Now the price is trying to reverse. Now this reversal is not actual reversal. This you can take it as a pullback to the breakout level. Now this can finish at this high of 0.6724 also, or it can dig deeper also into this channel before it finds support and starts going higher. Now carefully observe that the dollar index was going down. So in this case, Australian dollar is expected to go higher, at least in the level of 0.6871, because after breakout from these levels, the next level that the price should test is 0.6871. I'm expecting, actually, if I tell you what my anticipation is that the price will reverse from here. This is the level that I'm looking. So let's see how the things unfold in the future. New Zealand dollar, sell on dollar strength. So why I'm saying so, sell on dollar strength, because New Zealand dollar is very weak as compared to the other currencies. So whenever dollar starts strengthening, I'll suggest you to sell the New Zealand dollar on the strength of the US dollar. Okay, so when the US dollar starts rising, you can start selling this one. Okay, with the lower targets, of course. And also notice that this is a thing, that this is a wedge that the price is following right now, and any rise in this one should be seen as a selling opportunity. I think this is a very weak pair. Now the support is at 6048 and 6149. This 100 pips is the range for the New Zealand dollar right now. The bias is bearish because the price has started making lower highs and lower lows. So let's see how the things unfold in this one also. Talk about the USDCAD. See how carefully observe how it is following this order block. The price has failed to close any day below this. So what does it mean? Now, tomorrow, day after, anytime it finds a reason to go up, it will shoot like doom. 0.9159 is the target that I'm looking for USD in the coming time. Also, now it has not shifted back. That means the price will go upside. That is my anticipation in this one. So anytime soon, you should look for a buying opportunity to the target of 0.9159, the first target. You can keep these levels on your chart. These are very critical levels. USDCAD has finally given a breakout, although I think we talked about it on Friday that the price has taken this liquidity and has closed higher, is trying to give us a bullish signal, and we were expecting something like this, and that is this thing now. Now it can go back to this area to find it as a fresh support, or you can say fresh buying area. First target on this one is 1.3756. For some reason, if the price starts going below 1.3590, then only we can see the lower prices. If it doesn't go lower, then we are looking for 1.3756 in this market. What about the USD yen? Dollar yen has given a day. I think after closing a day below 158.74, we started looking for the lower prices. 155.71 is exposed, although it's finding it difficult to find the sellers to push the prices lower. 155.71 is what I'm looking for, guys, in this market. New Zealand CAD, well, the order block is still intact. The price closed higher, but next day, okay, inside bar, and now still it's an inside bar. If you disallow or do not think about the Sunday candle, then there is still an inside bar, and I'm expecting down move only in this one. So let's see how the things unfold tomorrow. A move to below 0.8269 will open up the way for 0.8201 in this one. Until the time the price is trading below 0.8385, you should not be looking for any buying opportunity in this one. Bitcoin finally break in the market structure. I mean, this was the order block that we were looking for, looking to sell from, but the price has, you say, misbehaved with this and has gone higher. Now it is very fast when it is going higher. Till the time it is not breaking this high, which I think it is going to break today only, we are not buying this market. Why we are not? Because the market structure has shifted now. Okay, not has shifted now. It will shift only when the price goes above 63,829. Now, when it does, of course, we'll be looking for the buying opportunity in this one. Brent. Well, Brent is a sell till 76.66. And this was a potential head and shoulder, which I had highlighted. And it seems like it is going good now. 84.79 is where it is trading right now. Any break below 83.74 will be good, because in that case, we'll have a measured move and we'll be able to do something like this for re-entry. If somebody has not entered, then he can look for entry here. Yes. All right. What about the gold? 2450 was the target. I think we have discussed it multiple times on our stream that 2450 is where the price is headed. Now, once it reaches there, there's a chance that it will go down. But first of all, it has to take out this 2450.32 level, collect that liquidity, and then maybe it will go down. Also, this order block has not been tested yet. I think it will go up, and then while on the way down, it will test that. So this is a very good price action. 2450 is the first thing that I want to see in this market. And I think that we will see tomorrow or maybe day after. Above this, I don't have much expectations above this. But yes, if it goes to the downside, I'll be looking for more buying with the target of 2450 and above. Yeah. On the way down now, 2349 will act as a very good support. So it is almost 100 points away from. Well, Nikkei, we have talked about Nikkei that it dropped from the all-time highs, took support at the 41,000. Now on Friday, we cannot talk about this, but yes, today the price action is still going lower, and I'm expecting that area only to act as a support. If it does not, and the price closes below 40790 for any reason, if the price closes below, then this will become a strong resistance, which I'm not expecting to come in the coming time. So I'm expecting the price of this level to act as a good support. Why don't we mark this price? This is the level that I'm talking about, 41,015. So that level I'm expecting to act as a very strong support. Euro JPY, any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity in this one. The resistance, potential resistance is 173.51. The potential support is 170. So all this price action is now easy to talk about. So here there was a breakout and order block, tested the order block, boom. Shifted the market structure also multiple times. Now 1.9236 is the resistance. On the way down, it can find some support at 1.9107. It can also come back to test this order block and the bullish fair value gap that we have marked on the chart. But the target on this upside is 1.9236 first target, and second target is 1.9345. Of course, it can go above that, but we'll be taking this W pattern or double bottom. And once it breaks higher, then it will be at double bottom, boom, boom, boom. So we will have higher prices. But right now, just look for 1.9236 and 1.9345. CHF JPY, similar like all other yen crosses, it is a sell on the rise. So anytime you see that the price has shown some significant weight, I will say heaviness, you can sell this market. Do not look for buying opportunities now. It is only a sell on rise with the target of 174.61 and the lower target subsequent. Audi New Zealand is a buy, but yes, it has gone too much high. See how it was going in the ladder from boom, boom, boom. And then it started climbing the ladder, boom, boom, boom. 1.1177 is the target on this one. It can come down to give you another buying opportunity, but I will say now it is too much ad from you, so don't chase it. Just sit on your money and maybe you will get another opportunity soon. Okay. Gas. Well, gas is gone to dust. The next target for this one is 2.138. And if it starts rising here, I think this only 2.275, which is this low here, should start acting as resistance. And first target is 2.138, and after that the second target on the downside is this one, 1.9. All right, guys, that's all from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those, and I'll be very happy to answer those questions for you. All right, since there are no questions, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember to risk only less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. This is the first stream of this week, and please press the like button if you find this useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. We are here every day at 1700 GMT. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. Bye.